Welcome class. Today we are going to start the second lecture of motion in a straight line after discussing the introduction. So two terms we are going to discuss today, distance and displacement. Two terms we will take every day, like distance, displacement, velocity, acceleration, then equations of motion. In the same manner we will take the video tutorials also. So distance and displacement. Distance is scalar and displacement is vector. What are scalar quantities? The quantities which are having magnitude only are scalar, and displacement is vector quantity. And what are vector? The quantities which are having magnitude as well as direction are known as what? Vector quantities. So distance is also known as path length. डिस्टेंस को हम पाथ लेंथ भी कहते हैं. अब एक एग्जांपल से इलस्ट्रेट करते हैं इसको कि पाथ लेंथ और डिस्प्लेसमेंट में डिफरेंस क्या है. एज्यूम करते हैं, एक केस एज्यूम करते हैं. अ बॉडी विच स्टार्ट्स ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम पोजीशन O एंड रीचेस टू पोजीशन A. ओके, रीचेस टू पोजीशन A in time t1. And again it returned back to position O in time t2. Okay, in this case we have to calculate both the distance as well as displacement. In detail we are going to discuss. So distance is path length, means total path which the body have traveled. We have to add the distances traveled in those paths taken. So one path is OA and another path is AO. So path length or distance traveled is equal to OA plus AO, that is 2OA. And what is the displacement here? What is the displacement definition? Displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final position. So initial position was O. Those students who have not learned all these things in class 9th very clearly, please pay attention. These topics are just revision of class 9th. So the particle started from O and again reaches to the same point O. O से स्टार्ट किया बॉडी ने और वापस फिर वो कहाँ पहुँच रहा है? O पे पहुँच रहा है. तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट कितना होगा? दिस डिस्टेंस वी हैव नेग्लेक्टेड, यू हैव जस्ट showing the same path. So displacement will be 0. Displacement will be 0. How it is 0? Since it is a vector quantity, so while moving to OA, the distance is OA, and then again returning back, it will be what? Minus of OA. So total displacement is 0. This type of numerical comes when we are solving for distance and displacement especially. Okay, now in brief, what is the difference between distance and displacement? The displacement of a particle is completely known for its initial and final position. Okay, therefore displacement is independent of path. An important line I am telling, displacement is independent of path. Second point, for a moving particle distance never decreases with time. Distance कभी भी time के साथ decrease नहीं करेगा, लेकिन displacement decrease कर सकता है moving point या initial point से move करते समय. The least point of distance covered by moving particle is equal to the magnitude of displacement. Equal भी हो सकता है और ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, लेकिन distance traveled कभी displacement के magnitude से कम नहीं होगा. किसी भी मूविंग पार्टिकल के लिए डिस्टेंस कभी ज़ीरो नहीं होगा और ना ही नेगेटिव होगा. डिस्प्लेसमेंट ज़ीरो भी हो सकता है इनिशियल पोजीशन से और डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल्ड से कम भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, फॉर अ मूविंग पार्टिकल डिस्टेंस इज़ नेवर ज़ीरो और नेगेटिव, बट डिस्प्लेसमेंट कैन बी ज़ीरो. व्हेन अ पार्टिकल कम बैक्स टू इट्स इनिशियल पोजीशन, then its displacement is 0. So these are the basic points about distance and displacement. I am taking a short video tutorials to make you the concept clearance for the topics. Okay, some type of question come in a circular motion, like when a body is moving on a circular path, okay, and starting from point O, like this. A body is moving from in a circular path starting from this position, and again it comes back to this position. The radius of this is r. Then what is distance traveled and displacement? So distance traveled is this distance, and what is this distance? This is pi r. And displacement is how much? Initial position is A and final position is B. So what is the distance between this initial and final position? This is r plus r, that is 2r. So 2r is displacement and pi r is distance traveled. So these are the basic concepts of distance and displacement. If you are having any doubt, you can ask in the comment section or in the WhatsApp group. Next lecture we will start is speed and velocity, uniform motion, and the graphs of this chapter. Thank you, class.